To clean the drum, remove smells and flush away bacteria, add 300 of soda crystals to the drum on an empty cycle and run on the longest, hottest wash. Once the cycle is complete, add around 400 of white vinegar to the drum and run another empty cycle on the longest, hottest wash. This will eliminate any lime scale and detergent from the pipes, leaving your washing machine sparkling and working more efficiently. This should be repeated every 4-8 weeks to ensure unpleasant odors and bacteria do not accumulate.